Protection Program, and that's designed to help small businesses with loans during the COVID-19 pandemic. And this comes as thousands of applications have already been flooding banks. Fox 12's Sarah Hurwitz joins us live tonight with a look at how banks have been handling this and how one local business is using its loan to stay afloat. Sarah?
Oh, yeah, I spoke with Umpqua Bank leaders today. They say it has been extremely busy with small businesses that are applying for loans. And while they're waiting for Congress to approve additional funding, they say that they will have a team that is working through the weekend to get through thousands of applications to get those ready for approval. For banks and credit unions during the COVID-19 pandemic, it's nonstop.
We've had a team working 24 hours a day, working swing shift, graveyard shift, to process as many applications as we possibly can.
Eve Callahan with Umpqua Bank says all of their branches across 5 states expected to get about 5,000 applications in the first few weeks after the CARES Act went into effect. But she says the bank saw more than 6,500 applications in the first 24 hours.
Since April 3rd, we have processed more than 6,700 small business loans, which total more than $1.4 billion in funding for small business. And as context, in a normal year, we would process about $140 million in loans. So in 2 weeks, we have processed more than 10 times what we would do in a typical year.
Portland-based business Smith Teamaker is one of the recipients.
But it's fundamentally changed our business in that for us, restaurants, hotels, offices are a really big part of what we do, and all of those are absolutely closed.
CEO Darren Marshall says revenue was down 40 to 50%, and getting this loan quickly is helping them keep up with bills.
It enabled us to continue paying our salaries and can also be used to help pay for rent and for utilities.
Marshall says all of its roughly 60 employees are still able to work in a different capacity, even if its tea tasting rooms are closed right now. And the company is also staying afloat with online sales and retailers. And Darren Marshall says that loan should help the company for the next couple of months. As for Umpqua Bank, they are hoping that Congress does approve that additional funding sometime next week so that other businesses can benefit from loans as well. Reporting live, Sarah Hurwitz, Fox 12 Oregon.